Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021 and 2020 pass out batch candidates for Java developer role. For this, any bachelor's degree candidates can apply. There is no percentage criteria. Salary will be more than 6 lakhs per annum. What is the job location, what are the required skills, how to apply, everything I'll discuss in this video. So please watch full video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our Code with Anurag YouTube channel, please do subscribe, because here you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in English. And this is our other YouTube channel, Job Updates for You, where you will get daily latest job updates with placement preparation in Hindi. So please subscribe to this channel as well. Now let's start the video. Once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this official website of this Deloitte. So all the details regarding you can find here. Job location will be Bengaluru, right? Other things I have already discussed. So now let's discuss about the responsibilities, or you can say required skills, right? So let's discuss about the responsibilities. So develop and maintain small to medium sized feature for our applications. 0 to 1 year of experience in Java development, right? Freshers can apply, and if you have any experience up to 1 year in Java development, then also you can apply. Assist senior developers in writing and testing Java code. After that, write unit tests and participate in code reviews. After that, debug and troubleshoot basic technical issues. Then learn and apply best practices for writing clean, maintainable and efficient code. Then collaborate with designers, product managers and other developers. After that, stay up to date with the latest advancements in Java technologies, right? So as per prospective candidate, you should have these skills, right? Strong understanding of fundamental Java concepts and object oriented programming principles. Then familiarity with basic Java development tools and libraries. So these are basically required skills, right? After that, eagerness to learn and grow as a Java developer, excellent problem solving and analytical skills, strong communication and collaboration skills, ability to work independently and take initiative. So if you have these skills, then you are good to apply. And below are the bonus point. If you have the below skills, then it will be a plus for you, but it's not mandatory. Suppose if you have any experience with spring framework like Spring Boot, then it will be a plus. If you have any experience with in relational database, for example MySQL, PostgreSQL, then it will be a plus. If you have any experience with basic testing frameworks like JUnit, then also it will be a plus. If you have any experience with Node.js or React.js, then also it will be a plus, but it's not mandatory. Only above skills are mandatory, these skills, right? Yeah, so how to apply? Yeah, before that, what is the selection process? So there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be online exam. There will be aptitude questions and some technical questions. Online exam, right? Objective questions. There will not be any negative marking, right? After that, once you qualify online exam, then you will be eligible for technical interview followed by HR interview, right? So once you qualify all the 3 rounds, then you will get the offer letter, right? So how to apply? That is very easy. Simple, you need to click here apply now. Once you click here apply now, right? Just a second, let me reload. Actually I have loaded this page long time ago. Yeah, now let's click on the apply. Once you click here apply, yeah, then it will redirect you on this website, right here, this page. So here you need to sign in if you already have an account, and if you don't have any account, simply you need to click here create an account. Once you click here create an account, then here you need to enter your email ID, retype email ID, choose password, retype password, first name, last name, these things. After that, click on the create account. Once you create your account, then after that you need to sign in. After signing in, you need to fill the details, then you need to submit the application. Once you submit the application, after that, if they shortlist your resume, your profile, then you will receive the final online exam link. Yeah, so please apply. This is a really huge opportunity for all of you. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our WhatsApp channel. You can also join our Telegram channel. Links are already given in the description box and also in the pinned comment. So please check it out. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.